How to stop messenger call notification on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside, just scroll below, then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for messenger and then tap onto it. Just like that, inside here you will be able to find notification option, tap onto it, and just like that, make sure allow notification option is turned off. This will stop messenger notification including all call notifications. Now, another alternative way is to simply head back to your home screen, open up your messenger application, tap on this menu icon, then tap on settings. Inside, just scroll below, then tap on sounds and notification, and you will be able to find all these options. Simply turn off notification, and you can even disable sounds and vibration to fully stop call alerts. And that's it. After doing this, you will no longer receive call notification from Messenger on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.